Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is engr.ibrahim.omer, and in this tutorial we will learn how to enable spline curvature handles in Solidworks. So let's go to Solidworks and let's learn this. So first of all, I will go to here front plane, sketch, and here I will create one random spline like this. And here you can see that I cannot see the spline handles, and it is very important when you are doing surfacing. So for this, go to here options and then sketch, and here you will find this option, enable spline tengency and curvature handles. Also I will enable this one, show curvature comms bounding curve. It is very helpful when you are doing complex surfacing, and click OK. Now we can see the handles and we can adjust it, we can give them some dimensions, etc. Also right click and click this option, show curvature comms, and here you can see the curvature comb bounding curve. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.